Is she entering a... Holy shit. I have to call Bill now. Oh, phone's ringing. Ooh. Damn. Come on, pick up. Forgot my ringtone was a banger. Oof. Oh my god, dude, seriously? You're doing this now? Oh man, that's so good. Alright. Hello? Hey man, sorry I didn't answer the phone again. It's just my ringtone is so damn catchy. Dude, shut up and listen. You were right. Your wife is cheating on you. I just saw her enter a hotel with some guy. Oh my god.
Yeah.
It's insane. Why the hell would she do that? I don't know.
But
There is one thing you can do. What? Hang up and call me back so I can listen to my ringtone again. Oh my god, it makes so much sense now.